So recently I did a video on the Steam Link app. And recently a headline caught me off guard. Okay, Valve says it will allow everything on Steam as long as it isn't illegal or trolling. I, for one, am not in support of this decision. Somebody should be policing and have a say whether this content should be available to the public or not. And if nobody is doing that, you're just going to be supporting more and more development and availability of this type of content that probably shouldn't exist and shouldn't have a place in our communities. Now, in Steam's defense, they did say that with this decision they will be creating new tools within Steam that allow you to filter out some of that content so that you're not having it as an option to you to buy, you're not even seeing that content. And while this is perhaps a step in the right direction, if this is a decision that Steam's going to move forward on, it still is concerning probably to parents and to people who just don't want anything to do with that content, that it's going to be made available. And those developers are still going to be supported by those who are interested in that content. This is what Steam had to say about their decision. Taking this approach allows us to focus less on trying to police what should be on Steam and more on building those tools to give people control over what kinds of content they see. It's your job to police Steam. It shouldn't be the community's responsibility to filter that content and avoid seeing what they have no desire of seeing. No parent wants their teenager or even younger kid accessing a pornographic game because they're on Steam and they have access to their parent's credit card. That content shouldn't even be available. And yes, you may be building tools to filter some of that content, but no filters are perfect. Some of that content's gonna get through. Let me know what your thoughts are. Go ahead and jump down in the comments below and tell me, do you think Steam made the right decision? Or do you think that they should be the ones to police their own content?